This is Sridhar Kadari, senior journalist, managing editor, V Media News. ఆయన ఒక ఇంజనీర్. సత్యవాణి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండ్ కన్సల్టెన్సీ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ ఏర్పాటు చేసి సంపద సృష్టిస్తూ, ఉపాధి ఇస్తూ, సేవా కార్యక్రమాలు చేస్తూ ఇంజనీర్గా ఈ దేశాభివృద్ధిలో, ఈ రాష్ట్రాభివృద్ధిలో భాగస్వామ్యం అవుతున్నారు. భావి భారతల ఇంజనీర్లకి మార్గదర్శనం చేసేందుకు ఒక ట్రస్ట్ ఏర్పాటు చేసి భావి ఇంజనీర్ల జీవితాల్లో ఎలా వెలుగు నింపుతున్నారు అనేది ఇప్పుడు మనము సూర్యప్రకాష్ గారు ఉన్నారు, ఆయన అడిగి మరిన్ని వివరాలు తెలుసుకుందాం.
I have founded a trust in the name of Smart Infrastructural Engineering Services Trust. It is also acronym Smart Infrest. So in 2015, on September 10th in Coimbatore, I was addressing 200 final year students of various colleges, civil engineering students. And I addressed them and told them about the greatness of civil engineering branch and opportunities in civil engineering. Then one of the students asked me a question that, okay, if civil engineering is so great, why is it that most of the colleges, civil engineers won't get campus interviews at all? So I somehow convinced him, but I had in my back of mind that I should work for it instead of giving lecture. And so I came back to Hyderabad, sown the seeds of this trust actually, and immediately started the trust in the name of Smart Infrest to help civil engineering students in particular and civil engineering fraternity in general about employment and employability in civil engineering. We have 6 activities in this trust primarily. So first and foremost important activity is career counseling in the name of smart simulation. We go to the colleges, interact with the students, help them plan their career in civil engineering depending on their strength and ability actually, and their interest and passion. So we guide them in planning their career, whether it is in government services or private engineering companies, in terms of construction supervision, quality, design, career, and project engineering and construction engineering. And so that is one activity number one, smart simulation. Activity number two is we conduct fests involving students from various colleges of civil engineering and make them organizing team. Students organize the fest in the technical fest in the colleges to enhance the managerial and leadership abilities and also teamwork, because for civil engineers teamwork is very important, and managerial abilities and leadership are not trained so well in the colleges. So connecting with all the students across different colleges and make them organize fest in terms of conducting competitions in paper presentation, exhibition, and innovative thoughts and poster presentation and so many other competitions we conduct in one day. It was a very successful format which we conducted in 6 different colleges in the last 6 years, and in different cities like Bhimavaram, Chennai, Vijayawada, Hyderabad. So we conducted this fest by students from various colleges. And this is the second activity, and the third activity is smart sharp we call. So that sharp is the activity in which we help students do the internships, summer internship or winter internship, and we arrange tie-ups with the various industries or consulting firms and send these students to do the internship. For example, last year we signed MOU with GHMC in Hyderabad, where GHMC was doing first time the roads reconstruction in the city, for which we made the students work with the construction companies and do the survey and go through the design adequacy checks. And like that 3 years back we worked with again GHMC for doing the acceptance tests for the 2-bedroom dignity housing project, prestigious project of Telangana Chief Minister KCR. And we have deployed 350 students for doing the acceptance tests for the flats. So like that internship, we help the students do the internship in various programs. So far, we have offered internship to more than 3,000 students in the last 6 years of second year, third year, final year BTech students. And next is the helping project guidance. Actually we encourage colleges to send the students for projects to companies actually. So in the final semester, the students should work in the company for 5 days a week, and so they can plan the curriculum such that the students will be able to have exposure in the companies working, and also at the same time fulfill the completion of the project submission. And the third one in SHARP is the placement assistance. So to get the employment, we also guide, we bring the companies to do the interviews to these students, and we have placed students in the various companies. In fact, many students told us once they are associated with Smart Infresh, they don't need interviews. In fact, they become so confident with their leadership and managerial abilities, and also enhancing their employability capabilities in subject. They will be getting offers of employment very easily. And the fourth program is Smart Leap. That is leadership in engineering and advancements and practices. So we have framed 60 topics for making students upgrade themselves from the theoretical class knowledge to practical exposure by industry experts, and I am one of the prime speakers of that. And we posted these lectures in YouTube also for the benefit of the students. Particularly during the lockdown period, we had helped 6,000 engineers exposed to these topics. In fact, 1,50,000 views for these lectures and about 5,700 hours of viewing of these YouTube lectures. So it will be very helpful in various topics we conducted. So that is about Smart Leap. YouTube channel name is Ponnada Surya Prakash in my name. So we have posted 150 lectures of various topics in civil engineering. It will be helpful for the students to expose themselves to practical aspects of various portfolios in civil engineering. The fifth program is Smart Incube, incubation of startups. In fact, we have done one startup incubation also, but the students in that startup, after working in the startup for 1-2 years, they realized they had to go for masters for specializing in the waste management, and they have gone for it, and hopefully they will come back and continue this smart city ecosystem. And so the sixth and most important activity is Smart Warriors. The Smart Warriors is to expose the civil engineers to the social problems and solve the social problems. We have done many programs like flood management and roads. Hyderabad show on Hyderabad roads is one of the program we conducted. It's a social activity, actually conducting the survey of about 40 kilometers roads by 150 engineers. In a span of 1 week, we submitted the report to GHMC department for taking appropriate action for improving the road condition in Hyderabad. Similarly, flood management we did, waste management. These are all the activities we take up through these Smart Warriors. So we primarily feel that civil engineers should work for the society, and by that the society will get trust on civil engineers, and civil engineers' employment opportunities will improve. Yeah, the students are very happy with our activities on employment and employability, and also knowledge enhancement and internship offering. So we are connected with almost 10,000 students across the country, and we plan to improve, enhance these numbers. Our objective is to reach out to 1 lakh students across the country, so that it will help them build their confidence to work for the society. On the other hand, we have to give confidence to the society that these students or civil engineers can help solve the problems of the society. And we are already working in that direction, and we are hopefully in the right direction to achieve the objective to make Indian built environment the best, internationally competitive. Yeah, we have a website in the name of smartinfresh.in, and also we have Facebook page in the name of Smart Infresh. LinkedIn we have Smart Infresh, and we have been funded by sponsors, actually some sponsors from the builders community and also vendors. And also primarily I support our company Satyavani project supports this Smart Infresh, because corporate social responsibility we do this, and we help the students, and we don't charge the students for these internships and project guidance or placement assistance. Actually, it is all a trust activity, and we sign MOUs with the colleges to connect with the students of the colleges. Like that, we have signed MOUs with 12 engineering colleges, including Bhimavaram, Salem, and Chennai, and Hyderabad, Vijayawada. So many colleges we are tied up, and we are continuing to extend this MOU signing with more colleges and help these colleges connect the students to the industry for their academic needs.